How to create a recurring invoice in Oracle Payables. Navigation, Invoices, Entry, Recurring Invoices. So generally whatever the data we will give in the standard invoice creation, it would be the same data except the special calendar. So we'll try to create first the special calendar, setup, calendar, special calendar. I'm going to create one special calendar. Periods per year. You can take as per your requirement number of periods. I'm going to take 2 periods per year here for this special calendar. So July 2019 sequence, 1st July 19 to 31st July 19, same way August to 31st August 19. Save it, and this we are creating for recurring invoices. So now I'm going to give the formula for the recurring invoices. The navigation is invoice entry recurring invoices. Give a supplier name. I'm taking one example supplier. Assign the recurring invoice and number of periods. So how many invoices that you want to create every month? The first month will be, if you select, that will be coming from your special calendar. So now the next invoice is going to create in the July month. Give a number. So this is the number I'm giving. So the suffix will be changing. So whenever system is creating the recurring invoice, the month will be our suffix. Select the currency. And the liability account is coming from our supplier site level. Give the line definition. You can select the distribution set. Click amount tab. If you give amount, system will be calculating for the number of invoices, that is 4000 total, and system also going to calculate the tax. And this is for payment details. So what is our payment terms and pay groups and payment method? So as of now I'm not going to change anything in the payment tab. So the mandatory information we have already given here. So once you save this, and it is ready to create invoice every month in July and August. Once you click on create recurring invoice button, with this number system is going to create invoice. So that we can see here the REC July 19, and the batch name, if the batch invoicing is enabled in a payables, so we can give the batch here. So system has divided the amount into tax plus invoice amount. So one invoice has been created here, and the remaining periods of one, that is for August. And if you go and check in the payment amount, in the amount tab you can see the remaining amount is 2000, because one is reduced to 2000 here already. So now what we can do now, with the new invoice number DREC July, we can search the invoice and find out the invoice. Let us go to the invoice screen. With today's days, I'm going to search 14 July 19, and the numbers start with DREC. Click on find. Let me search with only DREC. We can also search in the invoice form directly by pressing F11. You can see here the amount which is with including tax, distribution set. If you click on all distributions button, you can see the distribution segregation. So ultimately system has just created a recurring invoice for the July month. Once you save, the preview will be saved here. So further validation payment is the process. Thank you.